welcome back to Brittany Allen Crafts. I have a very exciting little unboxing for you. I'm actually just going to have to insert this into another video because it's just not enough stuff to unbox. So I hope that's okay with CreatPlanet because I don't know, it'd be like a 1-minute video. I think Jason just pulled up. There's a guy on the roof. There's a guy on the roof. Okay. Anyways, so the first one is the one I ordered for mine and Jason's wedding. So this is what this one looks like, and I did already use them because I totally forgot that I was supposed to unbox them. So I scrubbed them up as good as I could, and they turned out, they came out pretty, oh, so I'm still wearing my gloves. They came out pretty clean, so this is the first one. So it says JNB established 2017, and then it's got this really pretty, like, I don't even know what you call it, like decorative thing that is in between. I really like this. So you're gonna see me use this one as well because I don't know when our wedding's gonna be. So, but this one is to brand furniture with that, and I got this one a lot cleaner, is to brand the pieces of furniture that I get done with, or just my projects in general. Let's see which way it goes. Because it's on here backwards. So I don't really know how to show you. Okay. I guess it'd be like that. This would be the backwards way, yeah. So it's showing up on my screen the right way because it's reversed, but it won't show up like that for y'all. But there's the B, A, C, and it was established 2019. I like the establishment. I like establishment dates. I can't help it. And so if y'all remember, I had this thing right here in one of the options for y'all to choose from, and then this thing right here was another one. But I went ahead and joined these two together because I really liked the little box. I like the little box, the little outline thing. So yeah, and it actually looks really nice when you use it. So yeah, y'all see me use this quite a bit actually. So that's what that looks like. And when you order one, and it's actually a really fair price, but you get this little handle with it, and we used a propane tank with the I don't want to get it down because there's so much stuff on the shelf, but I'll insert like a little clip or something of it sitting on the shelf. But we just used that, and we just left it sitting on there for a little bit, and it heats up, and then you're good to go. But I will show y'all how to get the perfect little brand, because you can't just pop it down on there and it's going to give you a good brand, and you can't leave it on there for very long, and you cannot push it hard or it will I'll also insert a clip of the board that we were practicing on so that y'all can see what not to do. and then I'll show y'all what to do. Okay. I'm drowning in this crazy